In this tutorial I'll show you how to convert photos to JPG with the help of Photoshop. So that being said, let's start this tutorial. I have inside this folder many photos. Let's open any one. Let's open this one. So right click on it, open with, and Photoshop. This is a quick way how to access a photo in Photoshop with its resolution, and it's much easier. I just prefer that, okay? So once you are inside Photoshop and you want to convert this photo to a JPG, let's say, because if we have a second glance at the photo, we can see this photo, it's a PNG. I can also show the properties. This one is PNG, as I told you. So let's see how can we convert this photo into a JPG. So for that we have to hit a combination of keys on our keyboard. You have to press Alt, Shift, Ctrl and W on your keyboard for this menu to pop up, or also you can get here by going to Files, now Export, and here you'll find Export As, and you can see these are the same short keys I told you about, Alt, Shift, Ctrl and W. So let's click just once on it. Once you're inside here, you'll have to select the format from above. I will select JPG, it was also selected, and also what you'd like to do, increase the quality from here. And at the second glance, these are the resolution of the final product, and also this is the size of the photo, what size it will receive. So now I'll just press on export, and let's name this photo tutorial for the purpose of this video, right? Select wherever you want to save this photo. I want to save it on desktop, and now I'll press on save. Let's close Photoshop, and this is my photo. Right click on it, show more, properties, and this photo now it's a JPG format. So this is how to convert photos to JPG with the help of Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.